How to make Shein orders cheaper. Shein offers numerous opportunities to save money, and here are key strategies to make your orders even more budget friendly. Discounts up to nearly 60%. Limited stock requires timely action. Significant discounts on various categories. Accumulate points for actions used for up to 70% of orders. Points expire every 3 months. Earn points through activities like completing your profile, shopping, and participating in contests. Influencer collaborations. Access promotional codes from influencers. Availability depends on influencer collaborations, potential for exclusive discounts through codes, receive free samples of Shein products, high competition for trial opportunities, free product samples, earn points or savings by sharing shopping experiences. Availability of surveys may vary, points or discounts for survey participation, access store coupons on the website and app. Coupons may have expiration dates, savings on specific products or orders, various methods for free shipping, including new customer offers and special events, limited availability of free shipping coupons, free shipping on qualifying orders, purchase gift cards at a price lower than their value, limited flexibility must use on Shine purchases, reduced cost for gift card value, receive early information on trends, discounts, and promotions, occasional receipt of newsletters, potential for early access to offers and gift certificates, participate in contests to win and earn points, high competition, challenging to win, points for participation and potential wins, play games like roulette for points, free shipping, or discounts. Games may not be available at all times. Points, discounts, or free shipping through game participation. Receive cashback on Shein purchases through third-party apps. Cashback percentages may vary. Cashback on the total purchase value. Maximize savings by combining various methods. Only one coupon per order. Potential for significant discounts up to 80% off. That's how you can make Shine orders cheaper.